Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. MK Captain is here. So, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 live image show off a whole bunch display, dual rear camera. The phone is expected to have a 6.7-inch main display. This is the leaks videos of the Galaxy Fold 2. So, alleged live images showing the Samsung upcoming clamshell foldable phone have been leaked. The image suggests the floatable phone will have an infinity O display with a centered hole punch cutout. Additionally, the image revealed a tiny outer display and a dual rear camera. Samsung had shown off a floatable phone prototype at the company's developer conference in October, featuring a clamshell from a factory. Alleged live image showing the upcoming clamshell floatable phone have now surfaced, revealing a few surprises. The image which we are posted on a Weibo earlier today, and as you can see on your screen, show a vertically floating display panel with a centered hole punch cutout similar to the Galaxy Note 10 and the upcoming Galaxy S11. Unsurprisingly, however, the floatable phone does not have a curved display. What does seem a little disappointing, however, is that the bezels around the display appear to be quite large, especially when compared to Samsung's current flagship devices. We can also see that the phone outer display is extremely small in terms of size. Right next to the outer display is a dual camera setup with an LED flash, since the entire back of the phone is not visible in these images. It remains unclear if the phone will only have two rear cameras. The hang mechanism, on the other hand, looks to be quite similar to the Galaxy Fold. Some recent rumors have suggested the clamshell floatable phone, we could be called the Galaxy Fold 2, will be priced under the $1,000. It also expected to have the same 108 megapixel primary camera and 5x telephoto zoom lens as the Galaxy S11 upcoming. Even though Samsung has not confirmed a specific launch date yet, some reports suggest the Galaxy Fold 2 will debut on a February 18 alongside the Galaxy S11 series. And also we can see the Ice Universe, the main Twitter leaker, in his tweet about this phone. He says in Chinese social media, Samsung next generation Galaxy Fold phone was leaked. So the sources come from the Weibo Chinese website. So guys, these are the some of the leaked image of the Galaxy Fold 2. Comment below, are you exciting for this phone? I'm really exciting for this phone because it's the unexpected live images, leaked images. And if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. Enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.